I've grown up in South Dakota, but I never realized that 25-degree weather and no wind, you could still get frostbite. I was wearing 2 pairs of pants and a pair of leggings, so I was dressed warmly, I thought. I was on the ice directly on my knees, but I didn't really think that that was a problem. So then when I got in the house, I started to have this unbelievable pain on my knees, and that's when I first noticed it. And I looked at my knees, and it looked like it was a black scab over all my knees, probably about 2 to 3 inches long. When the doctor came in, she said, "Oh my gosh, you have a really bad case of frostbite." And I never would have dreamed in a million years that was frostbite. I didn't go to the doctor the next day, but I went the following day. The reason I went in was because of the pain. I still never thought it was frostbite. I thought it was just very badly bruised. The treatment was kind of in 2 separate processes. There was dressing, and then there was the medication that I had to take. I had to dress both my knees every day in the morning and in the evening, and it would take about 30 to 45 minutes to do it. So they gave me hydrocodone and gabapentin for the nerve pain. And as the months went by, it kind of went down to maybe a 5 or a 7. And then I didn't take the hydrocodone anymore. I took gabapentin, which is a nerve medication. One of the surprising things about it was how long it took to heal. Because just now in September, I just have scarring, but it really took until that time for the black portion to go away, which was, the doctors told me the black part that looked like a scab was my skin, but they said it was really just very deeply burned in those portions. It's very possible that I might have nerve damage going forward, not severe. Now how I would describe it would be sometimes at night, like I said, it's more feeling of electricity or kind of a pain, but it's not 24 hours a day like it was before. So I would say it's on a scale of 1 to 2 when I have it, but it's not all the time. And on top of my knees, though, it does hurt all the time. It does hurt. And it kind of makes me think about children. I know we used to play and make forts in the snow at recess when I was little. And I guess, we didn't really think about it, but that's another thing to be more careful about.